Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So today we are watching educational technology test preparation video on Tech and Learn channel. So go to video first. I am requesting to you, please subscribe my channel for more video updates and educational videos. Thanks. So now we are going to our first MCQs. The first objective of teaching English is to develop listening skill. The number of kings of sounds are two. The kind of sounds are consonant sound, vowel sounds. Okay. For phoneme in the unit of sound minimum, which one is not the articulator phase? Number 6. Uttering with the force of breath is stress. Number 7. The number of branches of phonetics are 3. Phonology is the study of how sounds are organized. Viewers, all the MCQs are confirmed, so don't worry about answers. Okay. Number 9. The highest level in linguistics is phonetics. The number of vowels in English are 5. Is a basic English MCQs, grammar MCQs. Next, number 11. It is the scientific and organized teaching learning process and or product. Educational technology refers to preparation of sketch or some simple representation of the visual one plan to use. Option D is the correct answer. Storyboarding. Number 13. Forms of media using transparency. Overhead projects. Very important MCQs. Very MCQs file. Important MCQs file. I hope you are watching complete video and prepare these MCQs. And I hope you will pass your exams. Number 14. Scaled replicas of real object models. Option C is the correct answer. Number 15. Stands for real things that are to be studied. Realia. Okay, number A is the correct option. Number 16. Used by teacher in connection with speech rehearsals, dramas, musical presentation, radio and TV broadcasting. Number D is the correct option. Audio media. Number 17. Classified also as media. Correct option is books. Classified also as media. Okay. Yes. Number 18. Example of electronic materials available for teaching. CDs, internet. This is the first part of video. I hope you will watch it complete, and soon I will upload second part of this video. Okay, so I hope you will subscribe my channel for more educational videos and next test preparation. So next, number 19. Visual messages. The option A is design, symbol, pictures. Correct option all of these. Replica of an object that may be larger or smaller. Sorry, option mistake has. Sorry, option mistake. Sorry, spelling mistake. Larger or smaller. Replica of an object that may be larger or smaller in scale. Mock-up. Which of the following statement is correct about the domain of educational technology? The correct option is utilization is the action phase. Number 22. Miss Cruz was hired in a well-equipped school, but she has to start preparing her instructional materials before class began. Which of the following is a systematic process in, in preparing her material? Number B is the correct option. Design, development, utilization, evaluation. The sequence is very important for this MCQs. So keep in your mind what is the sequence of this MCQs. Number B, option B is the correct answer. Number 23, Miss Bronis is planning to integrate technology in her mathematics class. Which of the following would be her second step? Set the objectives. Set the objectives, the correct answer. Number 24, which of the following should Miss Gomes primarily consider in determining her teaching, learning objective and use of instructional media? The learner is the correct option. Which is the best reason why teachers state the objectives before using instructional media? To determine which media to use best. Miss Villegas is thinking of an educational technology that can relay information clearly to her class. Which principle will guide her in the selection of material? Communication effectiveness. Number 27, Mrs. Zinapman presented Mrs. Zinapman presented real samples of rocks when she discussed before the different forms of rocks. What principle in the selection of instructional material did she apply? Authenticity. Option B is the correct answer. Authenticity. Number 28, which of the following is the limitation of conventional technologies in teaching and learning? They pose problem on storage. They pose option A is the correct answer. Number 29, which of the following is not a contribution of technology to learning process? The role of teacher can be changed into administrator. Number 30. In what way can instructional aids foster learning? Entertain students. Number 31. With the previsiveness previsiveness of technologies nowadays, learning centered instruction can be promoted. Which of the following statements support this approach to teaching? Number 1, it focuses to transformation of facts. Number 2, it supports the use of lecture and drill method. It gives emphasis on collaboration and authentic assessment. Students work on tasks determined and controlled by the teacher. So the option B is the correct answer. Number 1 and number 3, those two statements are support to the approach of teaching. Okay. Number 32, sorry. Proof. Professor Williamins Professor Williamins students use cooperative learning, inquiry-based and project-based learning approaches in creating their digital unit plans. What can be developed among the learners through these approaches? Option D, construction of knowledge and information exchange. Option D is the correct answer. Number 33, which of these technologies arranged from the most symbolic the multi-sensory. So students, all these technologies arranged in sequence. So keep in your minds number D is the correct option. Print, audio, visual material and computers. Number 34. Which group of technologies has the highest degree of abstraction? Number A is the correct answer. Book, imaginative literature, programmed instruction. Number 35. Mrs. Soranio, a grade 5 teacher, prefer to use textbooks than other instructional material. What could be her reason for using it? Uh, so the reason behind this, the option D, textbooks contain most of the materials they need to learn in the course. Option D is the correct answer. So next, number 36, it is impractical to bring real objects to classroom. So Miss Simengen constructed a three-dimensional visual instead. Which of the following did she construct? Model. She construct a model because a model is a three-dimensional visual instead. So number 37. If a teacher wants to teach her pupils the skill to organize and integrate related concepts, which of the following is the most appropriate graphic organizer to use? Semantic webbing. D option is the correct answer. Which graphic organizer is used to show how a series of events interacts to produce a set of result again and again? Cycle. So cycle is a process which is recall again and again. Okay. Which instructional aid require pupils to verbalize graphic? Which of the following is inappropriate is using printed visual such as charts, graphs, and drawings? Number, option B, allow the students to pass the material from one person to another. Option B is the correct answer. Under what category will a globe as an instructional material fall? Solid model. Option C is the correct answer. Professor Augustine would like to provide hands-on experience on the expansion and construction of matter. Which of the following material would be the best use? Relias. Relias is the correct answer. Miss Sarah finds a chalkboard on an effective instruction material up to present. However, just like any other material, it also has its limitations. Which one is it? Absent student cannot keep up with their assignment. So it is the limitation when the student is absent, so he is not able to keep their assignments. Okay, because when the student is absent, so how he will keep his assignment? Number 44. With which learning style group are manipulatives most effective? Understanding style group. Number 45. Which does people use when she sings a concept to a familiar tune in order to help himself commit the concept to memory? Jingle concept memory he will sorry she will use. Professor Erkila would like to use audio cassette tape in teaching in lesson in English. In which activity is audio cassette tape very effective in the teaching and learning process? In developing listening skills. So we are going to end of our video. So I am requesting to you
again and again. Please subscribe my channel for more educational and learning material and videos. Okay, thanks. Number 47, Romalin is going to discuss about the AD model to big class. She is planning to use the technology by which parts of her presentation could be hidden, partly hidden to make it more exciting and instructing. What do you think? Shall she use transparency? Transparency is the technology she will use to hide his presentation, some part of presentation. Okay. Uh, Number 48, Morphy wants to make presentation material where in additional transparent sheets with information can be placed over a base transparency. Which one should she make? Overlay. Which one is used? Which one is used with 2D and 3D material? Opaque projectors. Number 50. After which the film Moro Ami, the student of Mrs. Tamari, are expected to show a demonstrative proof of what they have learned. How is the technology used in this situation? In this situation, the instructional technology is used. Number 51, self-made charts and illustrations serve as universal aid for bringing fascinating and exciting experiences in the classroom. To tap the optimum potential of this material, which of the following should be avoided? So, avoided thing is giving more importance to austerity over legibility. Okay, so number 52 is the last MCQs of your educational technology test preparation. Next, I am uploading the next part of this video as soon as possible when you show your attention in comment section. Number 52, Camel used overhead transparencies when she presented her assigned topic to class. What type of educational technology are transparencies? Projected material